that American Melted section, which we play about 3 times, and then we'll go right into Stars and Stripes.
The mayor of the city of Boston, Mayor Michelle.
Boston always does the 4th of July big, but this particular anniversary has been many years in the making for us. Some have been brought here against their will to build this country, including for this very building. My own family is part of that story. 2 generations ago, they fled China for Taiwan. A generation after that, my parents left their home to take a chance on the United States because they believed this place could give their children opportunities they never had. And today, their daughter stands here before you as mayor of the city where the American Revolution began.
AI can edit it.
Thank you. I've never seen it grow.
Wow, that's gorgeous. You part of it. Is your great?
That's cool.
Tea party, guys. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Social studies. Awesome. Now it's such a
That's it.